Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. I hope you're keeping well and safe. Anyway, I ordered a special kind of therapy mask. It's for skin rejuvenation, anti-wrinkles. Let's open it. Yeah! Wow, this is a big box. Here it is. Colorful LED beauty mask. Pretty simple. Ooh. Here is the mask. And the power supply and the instructions. This is my first time to have this. I have no idea how to use this. Of course I'll read the instructions, if I can. It is bubble wrapped. Here is the mask. Wow, it's pretty cool. It's made out of plastic. It has a head strap. It is stretchable. Look at this. Wow, look at all the squares. It's supposed to have 7 different colors. It is attached to a USB plug, and it's plugged in like this, just like a computer. And this, oh, look at this. Oh, both ends, both sides fold. Okay. I'm going to wipe this down before I put this on my face. And this is the neck portion. Yeah, the neck portion. It also has sensors and a USB. And a bag of these little thingies. A controller, microelectronics. Oh, I can see. Here is the power port and the USB ports. Okay. I'll figure it out. Ooh, a very light power supply. By the way, this cost about $27 US. It is a US plug. That's what I asked for. Instructions. Colorful LED beauty mask. Optical whitening instrument. Whitening, freckle wrinkle, anti-aging, skin tightening. Sounds good. It's in English. Photon treatment of 7 colors of LED lamp. Funny English. Prohibit the use of crowd. What? Maintenance record. Okay, I'll be back. plug this power supply into this controller like this, then plug it into the electricity and have these plugged in as well. I'm going to plug this in. Oh, I heard a beep. It's at number 30. I'll read the instructions. Okay guys, I sort of read the instructions. It didn't make much sense, so I downloaded some information about the 7 LED mask. Okay, and there is a precaution over here that says that you shouldn't stare into the LED lights for too long. So I'm going to close my eyes. And what they're saying is that you have to wash your face and let it dry naturally, or use a soft towel to absorb the water. Don't use a coarse towel. It'll make your pores worse. That's what they're saying. Okay, and in this package it came with these little, there are 7 of these metal things. It looks like I stick them, and it looks like I stick these in, these little black things inside the mask. So I'll do that now. So this is what it's supposed to look like. It's my first time. There's a hole. Okay, just like that, I think. Okay, so this metal part goes right on my face. And you know what? According to the instructions, it says that you can use skin creams with this mask. Yeah, it says that you can use other skin creams with this mask. It's up to you. So I'll go ahead and put these things in. This is the neck portion, and there's a locking system. There's a little plastic thing that hooks into a groove at the bottom of the mask, right here. So like this. Okay, let's take a look at this power control. You have to plug it in when you use it. It's not battery powered. So by default, it's set to 30 minutes, but according to the instructions, you can use it between 15 to 30 minutes. There's a flicker control here. A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, and back to, so from A1 to A9. And here's a timer, 29 minutes, 28 minutes, and up. You can go past 60 minutes, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set it for 10 minutes because it's my first time. Okay, the brightness, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, and back to A1. And the microelectronics, I'm not too sure what this is. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to try this out since this is an unboxing. Okay, I'm going to set it for 10 minutes. And I'm going to wash my face. I'll be right back. Okay, I just washed my face, and now I have a super soft towel. Absorb the water according to the instructions. There. Now for the mask. Ow. These nails. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think I'm supposed to be lying down. It keeps moving, so if I just tuck it in my shirt like this. Okay, I don't want to look into the light. I look creepy. So it's set to the lowest intensity. That's the lowest. Here we go. Ooh, red. Cool. Green. Blue. Yellow. Cyan. Purple. White. I'll leave it on red. Okay. Oh, what the heck? How about flicker? I'm closing my eyes. Wait, I have to open my eyes. F1. Oh, I'm not touching the intensity. So, see you at the end of 10 minutes. Red light, anti-wrinkle mode. Red light rays promote collagen production via increased blood circulation in the area. Blue light acne eraser mode. Blue light rays are proven to destroy acne-causing bacteria, minimize pores, and heal acne faster. Green light, balance skin conditions. This mode helps in balancing skin condition, relieve mental stress effectively. It can balance the color pigment, improve the softness of your skin, reduce fine lines, lightens the skin, and speed up the healing process of the wound. Purple light, heal acne scars. Yellow light increases immunity. White light, tighten sagging skin. Cyanin light, promote metabolism. It can help promote skin collagen growth, as well as help in whitening your skin. They say that you should close your eyes or cover your eyes when using LED lights. They recommend not using this mask for more than 20 minutes daily. I really should be lying down when doing this, but this is an unboxing, so I'm standing. They say that you should see some results in 2 to 4 weeks if you use this daily for 20 minutes. While we're waiting, I'll read more about the benefits of LED facial mask. Remove pox and spot. It kills the bacteria outside the skin, removes spots, and makes the skin shining. Accelerated detoxification, skin metabolism, promotes skin toxin discharge, shrinking pores, tightening, and rejuvenation. Brighten the skin, solves the problems of dark skin, dull skin, and uneven complexion. Promote skin collagen growth. Make the skin more translucent and white. Effectively accelerate skin metabolism rate. Promote the excretion of toxins from skin. Promote skin permeability. Increase oxygen to lock skin moisture. Promote blood circulation. Lighten freckles and red bloodshot. So this is better than the RF machine. It's everything rolled up in one. It's not invasive, and it promotes skin rejuvenation. Perfect. It's safe and low cost. Time's up. It turned off. I'm hot. Whew. Refreshing. I like this machine. Whew. Nice and refreshing. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.